Smartsheet Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Smartsheet Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll be sharing my personal experience with Smartsheet, an innovative platform for work management, and explaining why their affiliate program could be a great way for you to earn commissions. You can find all the links and details in the description below. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform designed for project management, collaboration, and automation. It allows users to manage tasks, track deadlines, and collaborate in real time with a spreadsheet-like interface. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals, teams, and organizations looking for a flexible tool to streamline their workflow. Smartsheet offers powerful features like task management, Gantt charts, automation workflows, reporting tools, and file sharing. It's a great solution for businesses across industries like marketing, finance, construction, and IT, giving teams the ability to track complex projects and stay on top of deliverables. Now, let's dive into the Smartsheet Affiliate Program. The program is designed for marketers, bloggers, or content creators who cater to business professionals, project managers, or teams looking for work management solutions. With this affiliate program, you'll earn a commission for each customer who signs up for a paid Smartsheet plan using your referral link. They offer competitive commissions and recurring revenue potential, which makes it an attractive option for those looking to build a reliable income stream. The more people you refer, the more you earn. The Smartsheet Affiliate Program also gives you access to a wide range of promotional tools, including banners, links, and pre-written content, which will help you easily promote Smartsheet to your audience. One of the best aspects of Smartsheet's affiliate program is the 30-day cookie duration, which means you'll be credited for referrals made within 30 days of a click. To wrap up, if you're looking for a lucrative affiliate program in the project management space, Smartsheet is an excellent option. With its powerful platform, great commission structure, and the tools to help you succeed, this program offers real earning potential. Be sure to check out the links in the description to start your affiliate journey with Smartsheet today. Thanks for watching.